What day is today?
Day number 3.
Day number 3? Look, I just found this kid wandering around the halls. I don't even know who he is.
Yeah. And this one?
And this one, he looks familiar.
This is my baby.
I don't know, but I just found these kids in a cruise, and I don't know who they are. So today is number... So to find out what today is, number 3?
3.
Today's day number 3 at the cruise. And today is the day at the sea, so you know what that means? Eating and eating.
Yes.
So right now we're gonna go eat. Alright, so let's see what the day brings us. Party people in the house. Alright, let's go. You guys are coming along?
No.
You guys are not gonna eat breakfast with us?
No.
Okay, be careful on my computer.
We got room service.
You got room service? Alright, listen. Joel. Joel. Sir, my computer's up here. Be careful. Alright, let's go. Let's go, peoples. Hey, you telling me let's go?
I would do whatever it takes.
Oh, where? Yeah, we go this way. No, this way is to the thing. Yeah, it's this way. Okay. Kind of lost my way there.
My eyes are puffy.
Your eyes are
Been
puffy?
eating too much gluten and sugar.
Oh, you gotta eat with that sugar. Yeah, we're late. I don't even know what time it is. Yeah, they still have breakfast, right? What is this?
What do you get? One mushroom? One egg? What is that?
What is that, oatmeal? Oh, it's rice.
What is it? What was that?
It's rice.
Rice. Rice.
Nice for breakfast. You gonna eat here? Spinning.
And take your order, sir.
Yes, I want mushrooms, tomatoes, and spinach. Hold on.
You're gonna get the 3 eggs? Or you're gonna get both?
And what? No, that's it. Oh, and 2 toasts.
White or brown?
White. Yeah, no, thank you. Perfect. Breakfast with a view. Look at that beautiful ocean.
I love it.
Look at the flower. Is it real?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, it's real. Wow, it's pretty. Breakfast with a view. Okay, so we're having another omelet with spinach. And what you got?
Spinach, tomatoes, onions, and mushrooms.
All right. Can't forget the bacon. You know what I'm saying? The bacon. Here we go. Round 2. Got that fruit, whatever that is.
Fruits.
And what you got?
Fruits, pineapple, and nuts.
And some yogurt. Hopefully it's gonna last the whole day.
It lasts you the whole day. See.
It's gonna last, supposedly.
Until like 12.
We're gonna do a science experiment. Like this. Okay, so we're at Ogita's favorite place, but today I got a different gym partner. Freskito's coming along with me because he wants to show me how strong he is. So we're gonna see what he got and see if he can keep up with the old man. What you doing?
How much is that chest press? Shoulder. How much is that chest press?
9.
Oh crap, give me that head. That's a knife. Look at that. Give me the thing.
So here's where wisdom experience takes over and the youth stays behind. Okay, right now we're just here in the front of the boat, enjoying the view and the cool breeze. This is cool.
Oh, that's the first one. Thank you.
It's cool.
Mira, right here, you can see the boats if you angle this way. I like it.
See what?
Little boats. Well, not so little.
Deck 1,
I got dizzy.
main deck.
Still haven't figured it out yet? So look, we found one. Out of 3, we found one. So now, what do we do?
Now?
Eat.
It's been 3 hours.
3 hours.
Every 3 hours we have to be fed.
So now we're waiting for this cool elevator that is made out of glass. Let me see which one comes. Which one coming? We still have to find Gabby and Fresco, the 2 lost kids.
This is not coming for sure. This one's coming right here.
This one's coming?
Yep.
All right.
Stop right above us.
Like looking outside. Who was dizzy?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's been fast.
Yeah. Well, we're in the middle of the ocean, man. Back again. Eating again. I guess that's all you can do on sea days. Eat and eat. So basically on the sea days, all you can do is hang out on the boat and jump in the pool or meet new people, or what the basic thing everybody does is eat and eat some more and keep eating. Yeah, I hanged out here with the kids and the family for about an hour and a half hanging out. And yeah, I noticed when I was looking through the window that I saw a big mountain. And yeah, we were passing by Cuba. So that big mountain you see there, that's Cuba. So we're here enjoying the pool in a cool afternoon. We just went by Cuba. That was pretty cool. We was about 4 miles off of Cuba. That's where you see those
mountains on the side of the boat there, but I don't know if you can really see it. And now, yeah, we just hanged out at the jacuzzi, the hot tub, and now we're just here hanging out, being lazy bums before we go to dinner. So here enjoying the afternoon.
We're gonna hang out in the room to watch some TV and more relaxing time.
We're off again tonight to another dinner show. No, not a dinner show. Dinner. Good evening. Good evening. Back again. What are you having? Shrimp. What is that? Oh, you eating shrimp? What you guys hop on? Oh, shrimp too. You already ate yours.
That's not. Está explorando.
What is rolling up? Like ice cream?
It's
Or parfait?
strawberry fresh strawberry soaked in the red marmalade. Red marmalade is the orange liquor. Then they put vanilla ice cream.
So after a good tasty dinner, it's time to walk it off. So we decided to walk around the boat, but somehow we winded up window shopping inside the store. Now this gets to be a little bit dangerous, but I can't say that. Olguita's pretty good. She's not a big spender.